When working with large assemblies, creating the top-level drawing can be cumbersome with lots of components, especially when trying to create a bill of materials. When the BOM is too large, it doesn't fit on the entire drawing sheet. Instead of changing the sheet size, what if we could split the BOM into separate tables? Let's find out how in this 2-minute tech tip. Taking a look at this drawing sheet, we want to make a BOM for this large assembly. When inserting the table, it is clearly too big for the drawing sheet. Instead of changing the drawing sheet size, we can place the BOM down and choose to split the BOM wherever we'd like. By right-clicking on a cell, you can choose the option Split Table, which will give you multiple options as to how the BOM should be split, either horizontally above or below, or vertically left or right. I'll choose to split the BOM horizontally and place the separate table in some open space. We can see the BOM is still covering the drawing view, so we can move the BOM to a separate sheet for more clarity. The BOM can be split into multiple different tables if needed, and even though the BOM has been split, it can still be merged back together. When you right-click on one of the tables, you can choose Merge Tables using either Merge to Next, bringing the next table to the selected table, or Merge All, which will merge all tables back to the original. Splitting a BOM is an easy way to organize your drawing sheets and make sure that everything is visible and clear. Taking advantage of techniques like this can help keep your drawings organized. If you like this tip, please be sure to check out our SolidWorks Essentials for Part Design course, as well as our SolidWorks Drawings course. Thanks for watching.